Today I'm going to show you how to improve your front door security with under $10. So you can go to Amazon, there are all these different security door lock, but I'll recommend the one that's Amazon Basic because that's the cheapest one and also it feels the same. Let's see. This is it. So it's a 2-pack. So well, they actually increased in price, so it's a little bit over $10 for each of them. Next thing you want to check if the color matches the other accessory on your front door, and then you also want to check the best location for your installation. I'm actually going to install something on the bottom here, so let's keep this open, and I'm just going to put this here because when I stand and reach, this is probably the closest height, and it looks better this way too, with a similar gap from here to there. Alright, let's do it. Test. Everything works so far. That's it. Okay. And let's install the rest of the screws. Screws. They look very tight. Alright. That's it. We're done. Let's test it again. Put it back on. And the door's now locked. Door's now locked. And then you hear that? It's very strong. Super strong. Now if nobody's coming, and I will put this on so no one can try to break it open or even pick a lock. There's no way they can break this. So I think this is the biggest advantage, that when you put this on, even if somebody wants to pick a lock, they cannot get into the door, which is good. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please like or subscribe. I'll show you more cool stuff in the future.